Meaning of diddly squat.
Diddly squat.
Diddly squat.
Diddly squat.
Diddly squat. Diddly squat is an idiomatic expression that means nothing at all or something of little or no value or significance. It is often used to describe a situation where there is absolutely nothing to gain or be had. The phrase likely originated in the United States in the mid-20th century and has since become a common figure of speech in everyday conversation. When someone says they know diddly squat about a particular topic, it means they have no knowledge or information about it whatsoever, effectively rendering them unable to contribute to the discussion.